Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial of basic mid-game tactics in Xiangqi. This is based on the free ebook that is available on the World Xiangqi Federation website. I've enjoyed the examples in this book a lot over the years and I hope to share them with you. This should be the fifth board of section 1 of chapter 6, which would be dealing with the tactic of blocking. In section 1, the tactic of blocking by leveraging the situation is discussed, and this would be the final example. So a quick analysis of the position. Red has one chariot, one horse, two cannons. Black would have similar material wise. Red would have a single advisor guard, black would have a full guard, and black has 3 pawns, red has 2 pawns. At this point in time, the black chariot was in a very favorable position. It would be preparing to capture the advisor and was also threatening to capture the red chariot. The black horse would also have the 2 cannons in its scope and could attack them if need be. However, one of the black horses was stuck at the corner. So it would be red's turn to move. Red starts with c1 equals to 6 to deliver a check, sacrificing the cannon. Now, black would be forced to accept it, but in doing so, he would leave this horse, give this horse a free entry or move to go to the left flank to attack, and this would constitute the very famous basic kill of the tiger silhouette checkmate. Now, these 2 variations were not given in the book. Let's say if black captured the red horse, red would immediately deliver a check, capture the elephant to deliver a check, and then deliver a checkmate with the double cannons. So that is why the black chariot cannot capture the horse. And when I ran this position through the computer, as mentioned earlier, it is vital for black to keep the chariot at this place, at this position. Otherwise, red would be able to utilize the tiger silhouette. So the recommended move was to play a5 plus 4, but in doing so, check, black's chariot will be pinned to this file and red will be prepared to gain material and a winning position. So either way, black will be on the receiving end after red plays c1 equals to 6. In the book, red played r8 plus 9 to deliver a check, forcing the king to the third rank and successfully isolating the king to this file. Now there are 2 main variations at this point. e5 plus 3 was played to try to give black more space or have the opportunity to move over here should the need arise. k4 plus 1 would lead to a rapid loss, as will be evidenced by the tiger silhouette. A check, the high angular horse, capturing the horse to prepare to threaten the checkmate, forcing the elephant down, and red will now be prepared retreat his chariot to the third rank and be prepared to checkmate with r9 equals to 6. If black tried to counter in this manner, red would simply checkmate by retreating his chariot. So as can be seen, if k4 plus 1 were played, black would lose very quickly. So after retreating the elephant, red will capture the elephant and still go for the tiger silhouette. Check. Now at this point in time, usually red will play r3 equals to r3 minus 2 to deliver a check, but unfortunately in this instance the black cannon will now be protecting or controlling this rank. So this is where our topic, the main topic or the main move depicting the blocking technique comes in. Red will make a very nice sacrifice using the cannon to truncate or to negate black from playing for protecting this file. So this will allow for red to continue with his tiger silhouette attack. So this is a very key move. And after this move was played, it will be impossible for black to salvage the situation. So in the first, there are three variations. In the first variation, black will capture the cannon, and the routine needed for the tiger silhouette is given. This was the final move in the book. Black can still retreat the elephant, but this will still be a checkmate. So let's say if black tried to capture the advisor, red will move his king to safety, and black cannot further his attack. So red would still lose. Sorry, black would still lose. Alpha -4 would not be an option either. So you see, tiger silhouette, check, and this would be the move that was played. So if, let's say, sorry, if there's a check, Alpha -4, if say K4 -1, and red, this would be a double check, so the chariot, cause cannot capture the chariot, as both pieces are attacking the cannon now. So if red retreated if the black retreated the king, this would be immediate checkmate. Just for beginners. So as can be seen, once this position was reached, red was guaranteed victory, and the red's kill was made possible because of the blocking technique that was introduced over here. So a short recap. In this initial situation, red would sacrifice a cannon to give his horse an open line, and once red was able to play h5 plus 7, everything black would be in a downward spiral. Check, and this would be the key move. And after this move was played, the game was basically decided. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's short video tutorial, and another nice example of the blocking technique, a tactic in Xiangqi. If you like the work that I've been doing, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.